There's a lot of things on my mind, yeah. Stacking money like 365. It's real. It's real. It's real.
Don't say you get money, boy, you being broke. Digit dash up in my circle, you can roll. Only cash up in my vision and the soul. Now I'm smashing on the model cause I bought.
Hey. It's going down to the floor.
QUICKSILVER have evolved our signature sound architect valve technology for the Velar to meet increasing demand for a system which is integral with the car's ECU in terms of its valve protocol. We'll split the screen so you can see what I'm on about. At lower throttle inputs or cruising speeds, the valves are constantly self-actuating and open and close as a percentage. They're not binary like they would be traditionally on and off on an old school valve. These are constantly moving. So low throttle inputs, valves are shutting and it keeps the system calm. Full throttle inputs, you'll notice the valves open fully and freely to give you the maximum sound. This means you can switch the exhaust modes using the integrated button on the dash, or by putting the car into dynamic mode.
I'ma take the team, I'm gon' be hot like steam. I just got the dreams, I know what you mean. It's all funny dinner, I get 50 to my G.
Is that good?